To make cutout photo in Canva, let me quickly select the document I want to work with. This is a document I want to work with, and I'll click on customize design. Our design is opened in the editor, and I want to bring in my own photo I want to add to this design. I will come over to where I have my photos. This is a photo I want to use. And to make this as cutout, I'm going to click on the BG remover here. Now you see it's now a cutout photo. Let me just quickly spread it out. I will go into position and come over to layers to see where that lady appeared. I'm going to click on the lady and take her out. If I want to take the lady out of the background, I'm going to click on the background, right click and detach image, and I will come over to edit here and go in magic grab. The magic grab has selected that image. I will click on it and grab it. Now I also have her as a cutout. I can now kick her out and decide if I still want to use this as a background. I can set the image as my background. But if I want to download this as a standalone photo, I'm going to duplicate this image and add a new page. And I'm going to come in here and pull the image into the next page. I will come over to share and click on download and come into transparent background. I will select my page. So since that is what we want to download alone, click on done. Selecting this transparent background makes it that when I download this image, even this white background will not be there. It will just be the cutouts alone that would be downloaded. And once you have these settings here, you can click on download.